Let's create one more tutorial in SolidWorks. In this video you'll learn to use the extruded boss base, full round fillet, extruded cut and shell. So open the SolidWorks and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we'll create these three lines here. This line here has 16 millimeters of length, and the distance between this point here and the midpoint is 20 millimeters. And the distance between this line here and this one is 20 millimeters. So open the SolidWorks, go to Sketch, select the right plane, select a line, click here in the midpoint, make this sketch here, and go to Smart Dimension. The distance between these two lines is 20 millimeters. And this line here has 20 millimeters. Sorry, this line here has 16 millimeters. And the distance between this point here and the midpoint is 20 millimeters. Okay? And now we will create this line here, this line and this one. The distance between this point here and this line is 120 millimeters. So select line, click here in this point. Sorry. Make this profile and go to Smart Dimension, select this line and the midpoint. The distance here is 120 millimeters. We made this, so finish the sketch and go to Feature, select Extruded Boss Base. We need to extrude this 60 millimeters. So the direction here, select the mid plane and the distance here 60 millimeters. And press OK. We made this profile. And now we will create the fillet here. It is a full round fillet, 30 millimeters of radius. So go to fillet and the type here, select full round fillet. The A face, center face and the B face. And press OK. We made this one. And now we will make this hole. This hole is concentric with this arc. And the diameter here is 20 millimeters. So go to Sketch, select this face and select a circle. Put the mouse in this arc to find the center here. And make a circle here with 20 millimeters of diameter. And go to Features, select Extruded Cut. And the direction here, select through all. And press OK. We made this cut. Now we need to shell this body. And the thickness will be 2 millimeters. So go to Shell. And here we will select the face that we want to remove. That is the top face here. And the thickness here is 2 millimeters. You can show the preview here and press OK. So that's it. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.